Welcome everyone to Physica. So this question came in CSIR NET December 2018 and it is from quantum mechanics. And the question is 56th question. This came in 5 marks question. Consider the operator Ax is equal to Lypz minus Lzpy, where Li and Pi denotes respectively the components of the angular momentum and the momentum operators. So Li denotes the component of angular momentum operator and Pi denotes the components of the momentum operator, linear momentum operator. The commutator, you have to calculate the commutator of Ax comma x, where Ax is this given and x is the component of the position operator. So we need to calculate commutator of Ax comma x. So Ax is given to us. Ax is Lypz minus Lzpy comma x. So now we can break this into, because we know that the commutator of a comma b plus minus c, we can distribute it over the negative or the positive sign. This is equal to commutator of a comma b plus minus commutator of a comma c. So likewise we can distribute this. So this will be equal to commutator of Lypz comma x minus commutator of Lzpy comma x. Okay, now what we can do, we can now use the theorem. Now we can use this property of commutator algebra, commutator of AB comma C. So these are operators. So commutator of AB comma C is equal to commutator of A comma C into B plus A into commutator of B comma C. So we will use this property of commutator. Now let's use. So this will be equal to, this is A, this is B, this is C. So applying that, we will get commutator of Ly comma x into Pz plus Ly into commutator of Pz comma x minus Lz comma commutator of Lz comma x into Py minus Lz commutator of Py comma x. Now as we know that the commutator of Pz comma x and Py comma x will be equal to 0. So these both terms will be 0. Why? Because we know that commutator of x comma px, y comma py, z comma pz, this is equal to IH cross. All other commutators of position and linear momentum operators are 0. So these are other than these. So only x comma px, y comma py, z comma pz is IH cross, is equal to IH cross. All other combinations of momentum and position operator are 0. So these two terms will cancel, these two terms will become 0. And for these we need to know about angular momentum operators and position operator combination. So we need to know some properties. Commutator of Lx comma x and commutator of Ly comma y, commutator of Lz comma z, this is equal to, these all are equal to 0. Here it was IH cross with linear momentum operator, but with angular momentum operator these are equal to 0. And commutator of Lx comma y, this is equal to IH cross z. So this is like in cyclic order, x after y then z. ठीक है, तो first x will come, then y, and then z, and then from z to x. So this will be in cyclic order. Likewise commutator of Ly comma z, after y and z then it will be x, so IH cross x. Likewise commutator of Lz comma x, this will be equal to IH cross y. And similarly commutator of Lx comma z, this will be minus IH cross y, because x comes before z. Okay, so after x y should come, but it is in opposite order. So x, after x, y is coming. So it is in this order. So negative sign will appear. So minus I h cross y. So I have learned this way. You can learn in another way. So this is the easiest way to learn this. So it will always be in the cyclic order. Then it will be always positive. Positive sign will come on the right hand side, and if it is in the opposite order, then negative sign will appear on the right hand side. Okay. So similarly, commutator of Ly comma x, this is also in the opposite, because after y z should come. It is x, y after x, then it will be minus I h cross z. And commutator of Lz comma y, this will be minus I h cross x. So these are the some of the results of position and angular momentum operator. So now we will use these. So first is commutator of Ly comma x. So Ly comma x is minus I h cross z. So this will be minus I h cross z into pz minus commutator of Lz comma x. Lz comma x, it is I h cross, minus sign was already there, so it will be I h cross y into py. So now we can take minus I h cross common, and it will be z pz plus y py. Okay, so out of these options you will see the A option is this only. Minus I h cross is common, z pz plus y py. So first option is correct. So see, this was the easiest question in the whole paper of December 2018. So okay, so thank you.